The efficiency revolution of anti-air packaging. The fully automatic vacuum forming packaging machine is online. Carefully control every process, making the product packaging fast and exquisite. First, PVC blister forming and vacuum hot pressing for one-time shaping. The PVC blister shell fits the product size precisely. Second, the blister cutting is intelligent photoelectric positioning cutting. The incision is smooth and neat. Third, the mechanical arm transfers the blister smoothly. Zero delay in process connection. Improve the efficiency of the entire line. Fourth, manual sunscreen placement with human-machine collaboration. Optimizing workstations. Simple and easy to operate. Fifth, place paper card and it will be automatically aligned. Brand logo and product information are clearly visible. Sixth, hot press sealing. The blister and paper card are bonded. Sealing, moisture-proof, and pollution-proof. 7. The Teflon mechanical arm sucks the finished product. The conveyor belt is neatly stacked and directly delivered to the warehouse. The whole process is automated, saving time, labor, and cost. Double leap in quality and efficiency. Automatic sunscreen blister packaging machine. It's a strong backing for your product packaging.